Alrighty, hello and welcome to Drill and Kill. That is correct, my friends. This is challenge 14 and this is where we drill until we kill all the mistakes that we might have. Without further ado, let us move on to our first problem here, and you must draw a number line to represent 21 and -6. Let's go ahead and move this aside so we've got a little bit more room. And bam, right there it is, my friends. First of all, our negative numbers are in red. Our positive numbers are in blue. You've got your 0 right here as your neutral number right in the middle. And then the positive 21 is over here, 21 spaces into the positive. And the -6 here is going to be represented here in the -6 spots. Back this way. Your number line should look just like that. Now we must move on to the absolute value. So we'll write the absolute value of 21 and of 6. Now once again, the absolute value is simply the distance from 0 to that number. So for 21, you write it like this. You do 2 lines on either side of the number 21, and that is going to equal simply the distance from 0 to 21. So the absolute value of 21 is 21. Bam, love it. Super. Let's do the same thing with the -6. You've got these 2 lines mean the absolute value of -6, and it is simply 6 units from 0, right? So that is going to equal 6. Bam! Love it. That is all there is to it, my friends. Let's go ahead and box that so that that looks nice and pretty. Perfect. That is pretty. Yeah. All right, let's move on. Next thing we're going to do is write 2 inequalities. Now, in means not, so they're not equal, so you wouldn't use the equal sign. You will use either the greater than sign or the less than sign. Super. And if we look up here, we can see that anything in the positive is going to be greater than anything in the negative. 21 is to the right of 6, right? So it is in the positive, and it is greater than the -6 over here, right? So you're going to simply write 21 is greater than -6. Bam! Right there you have it. Next, you can write it as a less than with -6 being less than 21. Bam! That is all you have to do for that one right there, my friends. Let's go ahead and box that. And now we're moving on to here. Problem 4. What is the difference from 21 to -6, or difference between 21 and -6? It's the same thing. You're going from 21 all the way here to 0, and then again a little more all the way to -6, right? So what you do here is you're just writing the absolute value, because you're doing the absolute value of this plus the absolute value of this right here. And if you do that, you would write the absolute value of 21 plus the absolute value of -6, and the absolute value of 21 is going to be 21, right? Simple. And then the absolute value of -6 is simply 6, right? Bam, right there. Hey, 21 plus 6 is 27. Da, 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 da. Hey, there you have it, my friends. Let's go ahead and box this one too, and that way everything is copacetic. Everything is the same. And right there you have it. If you have all this done just like that, fantastic. If not, no worries. Simply pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.